get into Deepseek, okay? Actually, let me open Deepseek. Deepseek. They do not have V4 on here, but they did release something right here. So V4 Flash is released specifically. All right, let's check this out. All right, so Deepseek, they're back. Y'all know the drill. Deepseek 4 V4 Flash official API is now live in public beta. Okay, public beta, and we've massively upgraded its agentic capabilities. Benchmark scores are now far surpassing the V4 Pro preview. That's interesting. So they had a V4 Pro preview. I actually didn't know about that, but V4 Flash is doing better than that. It supports the responses API format and fully adapted for codecs. That's interesting. So can I use Deepseek inside of codecs? Or do they mean like the codecs CLI? Like, I know you can add models there, but you know, can I use it inside of the codecs app? I actually have it built on a website for me right now for a client, so I'm not really doing anything on codecs right now. All right, so let's check out these benchmarks. So they don't have frontier models on here. They have, the best model on here is Opus 4.8. So let's check it out. Let's use 4.8 as the benchmark here, and Deepseek has a 82.7. 4.8 has a 85. GLM 5.2 has a 81, so that's not bad. NL2 repo 54.2. Opus has 69.7. Okay. CyberGem, which I'm pretty sure that's like cybersecurity. 76.7. Opus 4.8 has 83.1. And I want you guys to keep something in mind. This is an open source model, meaning this is not a model that you can't do anything with. You can go into their GitHub, clone it, run it on your local machine, change the harness, change the settings, all types of stuff. And for it to have, it's approaching the level of intelligence that Opus 4.8 gave. And when Opus 4.8 came out, it was magnificent. It was magnificent. So, Toolathon 70.3, Opus 4.8 76. Agent/Exam 25.2, Opus 25.7. All right, and compared to a Pro preview was a 16.5. Okay. Automation Bench 25.1, Opus 4.8 27.2. So it's approaching that level to where it's gonna actually be a stable model for most people, in my opinion. All right, so they say Deepseek V4 keeps the same exact model architecture and size as the preview version. Today's upgrade applies only to the V4 Flash API. The V4 Pro API and app web models remain unchanged for now. Okay. Let's see some comments here. Deepseek's new V4 Flash looks bloody impressive. Now let's see it tested outside Deepseek. Yeah, and that's the main thing that we need to focus on, is that when these models are being tested inside of their basically biased organizations, their benchmarks are good. They're always going to choose the best benchmarks. They're probably going to try it, 100, 1,000, 10,000 times, but they're only going to choose the best numbers from that. So we need to put it in our own harnesses, have it, create some outputs against other outputs, and see what it's doing. But is it better than GPT 5.6 Luna, which got 80% price drop. And that leads me into the next piece of news, which is